Come ride the magical, incredible, fantastical. Come ride the very airy library.
Welcome to the Very Airy Library.
Wow, it's awesome.
And it flies?
Each week,
Hey,
there's a
Mr.
new
Stan.
journey from a prominent author.
What is this place?
A few friends
Your
with us,
stand?
we about to travel on before.
Welcome, tiny human.
Ride the magical, incredible, fantastical. Come ride the very airy library.
I think we're ready to go. Hello, fellow story explorers. We just landed here in Superior, Colorado, and we're going to visit a young author by the name of Otavio Campos. And he wrote this book called the S.O.S, Society of Official Spies. Oh, I think I hear him now. What's up, Otavio?
Yo, what's up, Sam?
Man,
How you doing?
Man, I'm good. Good to see you, boy. How you been?
I'm great.
Good. Well, listen, welcome to the Very Airy Library. What do you think?
Wow, it's very cool.
Man, I'm glad you like it. My
My
God.
man.
Yes, sir. So here at the Very Airy Library, we are all about books, as you know, and you're an author. And do you mind telling our story explorers out there a little bit about yourself? So your name, your age, where you're from, and what you like to do for fun.
Well, my name is Otavio Campos. I'm from Superior, Colorado. I'm 11, and I love playing football.
I love that. Who's your favorite football player?
Tyreek Hill.
Tyreek Hill, the cheetah. That man is
Yeah.
fast. The fastest in the NFL, huh? Yeah. So you go to Superior Elementary, right? I've been there before. You have an amazing librarian by the name of Miss Huffman, right? Yeah, and she's retiring this year.
Yeah, she's retiring. I just want to give her a big shout out because she has been one of the most amazing librarians I've ever had.
Yeah, she's amazing.
Yeah.
Awesome. So Otavio, here at the Very Airy Library, you know, we have every book that's ever been written. And I would love to know what is your favorite book and why?
My favorite book is The Hunger Games. I love The Hunger Games because it's full, it's action-packed.
Yeah.
It's not staying in one place or multiple characters. It's very dramatic, and I just like it because I keep reading it over and over again. It's very fun.
I love those books where you read it 100 times and it's still as good as the first time you read it, you know? And so that is a great book. I love that
it is.
book series. So today we're gonna do a couple things. First, we're gonna play an icebreaker game. Second, I want you to tell the story explorers a little bit about your book and why you wrote it. And then lastly, we're gonna put your book into the Eternal Library, making you an eternal author. How does that sound? All right.
Definitely.
All right, cool.
Did somebody leave the fridge open? Cause it's getting cold in here, which means it's time to play an icebreaker game. You know the rules. Spin the wheel and whatever it lands on, you have to do.
All right, Otavio, you ready to spin the wheel?
Yeah.
Go for it, my guy. What will it be? Dun, dun, dun. You find a button that says, do not press. What happens when you press it?
A giant hole comes out of the ground, and we all fall in it,
Oh,
and then we end up in a land full of carrots.
oh, Carrot Land? Man, let's go now.
Oh, Stan, you do not want to go to Carrot Land. Those guys will run a scam on you and take all of your money.
He's not wrong about that. But OT, tell me more about your book, S.O.S.
Well, my book is about this kid called Jacob. He is recruited by a spy academy for kids, and it's like how kids can do anything that adults can if they're just if they put their mind to it. Sometimes they might even be better.
Hey, that's really cool. And where did you get the idea for this wonderful spy story?
I got the idea reading Spy School by Stuart Gibbs, and I just loved reading it, so I got the idea of spying.
Yeah, I love that you took inspiration from another book that you read. Most books that we read have been inspired by another story from somewhere, and so I love that you were inspired by that story.
Thanks.
If you could have any spy gadget, what would it be?
It'll be like an electrical boomerang where you threw it. It hit all of your enemies. It electrocuted them at the same time, and then you get it back, and you could use it over and over again. That'd be really cool.
I invented that years ago. And it does not work the way you think it does. Trust me. Woo-hoo, have I got the hospital bill to prove it. But let's talk about writing. OT, what was your favorite part of the writing process?
Well, my favorite part of the writing process is when you're finished and you're like feeling so proud of yourself and you're confident that it will do success, and when it does come true, it just wow.
What was the most challenging part?
Between the middle and the finish, and you're like, oh, I don't want to do this. I need an ending. And it's like you're like at the point of breaking and giving up, and then it just hurts.
I think I know how to fix that boomerang. Gotta run.
See you later,
Bye, Philo.
All right, Otavio, are you ready to put your book into the Eternal Library?
Let's do it.
Let's do it, my guy. All right, so before we put your book into the Eternal Library, do you mind giving our story explorers out there some words of advice?
My words of advice is never stop, never give up. If you try hard, you'll always get there, and never stop believing in yourself.
Oh, man, that's priceless. Work hard, never give up, and don't stop believing in yourself. And eventually, you'll get there.
Yeah.
All right, man, are you ready to put your book into this Eternal Library?
Yeah.
Let's do it, my guy.
Commencing literary ingestion process.
It's not.
Yeah, it never gets old, man.
Process complete.
All right, that's it for today, fellow story explorers. Always remember to be kind and never judge a book
Or a person by their cover.
See you next time, friends.
See you guys.
Hey, let's go make that boomerang.
Let's go, man.
Let's go, boy.
My guy.
The book, Society of Official Spies, is a selection from the Share Your Story writing program and published by Leap for Literacy. Visit startyourstories.com to see how you can participate.